This model kit review is of the 1979 Pontiac Firebird. It is a 1/25th scale model by AMT. Obviously this is an old kit. It's been re-released by Round 2 models, and this is a basic kit. It's got the SnapFit, so it doesn't really require glue, doesn't require paint, but you certainly can paint it if you want to. Some of the features here, you've got decals and stickers. For those who don't want to do the decals, there's the parts listings there. Let's have a look inside. So first of all, here we'll look at our glass. And it's decently molded. Here are our headlights there. We don't have any side glass, so I guess it's going to be an open windows. Have a look at these sprues here. So we've got our seats, not very well molded. Obviously this is an old kit, like we said. I'm not sure if that's going to be needed, but certainly this is all open back. We'll need to sand and fill that. Here is our dashboard here, and it shows you what colors to paint if you're going to paint it orange and then tan buff color. Here's our steering wheel, and then subframe parts. There are some mold lines, and not too bad. Here is the rear. This is the louvered back for the windshield there, rear glass. Here are our wheels. And here are the other side of the wheels. And then here is the exhaust, as well as our rear axle and rear leaf springs. We've got tires here. These are fairly soft, but they feel like they're made out of probably vinyl. We do have some tire tread on them, and some lettering on the sides. Okay, let's have a look at our body and chassis here. Let's see if we can get this thing out here. Quite difficult to get out, actually. I guess the back comes out first. So we've got our body here, which is actually very nicely molded, and I don't really see any mold lines. One little attachment point there, but it's actually very nicely molded. We've got some recessed panel lines here for the panels, the doors, the trunk and hood and so on. There's the front. Here is our cabin with some detail here on the side, and then here is our chassis with the engine and transmission molded in. Okay, let's have a look. We've got some decals here as well as stickers. So those look like those are the stickers, so that's pretty much what the decals are going to look like. Some different options there, I guess, depending on which version you want to build, but that's kind of cool looking. Let's have a look at these. I imagine they're going to be exactly the same, but just decals. Yep, these are just same exact ones. Okay, let's have a look at our instructions here. So, like we said, this is a snap kit, so no paint or glue is required, but if you want to make it better, certainly can. If you wanted to paint, those are the colors there. And let's see here. Start off with our wheels and tires. That's our dashboard going onto the cabin there with our seats. Then mount that all with the glass into the body, as well as the rear louver, and then our front wheels there, rear wheels, and this exhaust. We mount the body onto the chassis, then the wheels go on there, and then finally lights. Over here we've got decal and paint guide. I mean, it's really fairly simple. This is a great kit for beginners, but certainly more advanced models can have some fun with that one.